HT-508, a cutting-edge modular green roof tray designed for sustainability, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. HT-508 features 9 water collection baskets designed to retain moisture, ensuring consistent hydration even during dry spells. The 4 geotextile covered drainage columns manage water flow, preventing waterlogging and promoting root health. Thanks to its lightweight design, placing HT-508 trays is fast and requires minimal effort. The interlocking edges ensure tight connections between trays, eliminating gaps and providing a smooth, seamless green surface. HT-508's interlocking design allows for quick and easy installation, creating a uniform green roof with no visible grid lines or edges. Each of the 4 corners has a pre-cut 1/4 round hole, which can be further cut as needed to form a full round hole, allowing for convenient placement and securing of sprinkler heads. Adjust the sole depth according to plant needs, making HT-508 versatile for a range of planting types. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, HT-508 adapts to various roof structures, providing a durable and aesthetic green roofing solution. HT-508 is durable, easy to install, and cost-effective, making it the ideal green roofing solution for any project. Contact us today to learn more or to place your order for HT-508 and revolutionize your rooftop.